How to make a sentiment trend chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Sentiment Trend Chart. Search for the sentiment trend chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Sentiment trend chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Sentiment trend chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of numerical data to create a sentiment trend chart. You have the option to provide a categorical data column. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will create a sentiment trend chart with 2 numerical data columns. Later on, we will add a categorical data column. Important: sentiment trend chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for the sentiment trend chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Positive Comments. Select Metric Negative Comments. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 numerical data columns. Now we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. Select Dimension Social Media Channels. Click on the Create Chart button. Sentiment trend chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Positive Label Properties pen to change the color of the bars. Click on the Positive Bar section. Change the color of negative bar section. Click on the Chart Settings button. Click on the Line section to show delta line. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on more. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.